Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. Please, if you are new to this channel, please kindly support this channel for more interesting video like this. So in today's video, I'll be unboxing this Android dash cam I ordered from eBay for $230, excluding the shipping. So this dash cam is of good quality. Looking at the price, so without further delay, let's go down to the business. Let me show you this wonderful dash cam. Moreover, I've been installing this dash cam Android on my own. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that we watch the full video starting from the beginning to the end. Thank you. So guys, here is the package. It just arrived via the courier via FedEx Express. So I just received it today. So here is it. HD car DVR. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what is inside. Wow, the packaging is nice. Already the box alone is of good quality. Okay. And this should be the GPS antenna. This is the manual. Yeah. This is OBD2 power cable. This is power cable, the one you plug on the fuse box of the car. Here is the rear camera, the back camera. There's nothing more. Okay, let's go ahead and open the dash cam itself. Wow, this is beautiful. It doesn't look cheap. The price worth it. It actually have memory. Was it okay? SIM card slot. See, this way you plug your SIM card. Can insert SIM card on it, and it's also use a Type-C USB port. Type-C, that is great. I'm sure this port is for GPS. This is for memory card. This is for SIM card. This is aux. This is the charging point. So here we have the power button. Got the rear camera, the front camera. I mean, is the front camera. So this is the safety tape. Okay. So look at all the things that came with the accessories that came with the dash cam. This is all the stuff. This is the OBD2 or the power if you choose to use the OBD port to connect to power the Android. So this is the GPS antenna. This is the power cable, the one you connect to the fuse box. Then this is the camera. So this is all these accessories that came with this wonderful dash cam. I think the inch is about 10.30 inch. It's a decent size anyway. So without further delay, let's go and install it. Yes. So the next thing is to go and mount it up in the car and see.